Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Taking out the GARDRIT insulated backpack here. This has some thick waterproof insulation in here. It holds up to like 35 cans of soda or whatever else you want to put in there. It's rather large, and then this just zips up here. Just like that. It also has this nice carry strap at the top, so if you want to hold it just on the side. The padding back here, it's got some nice thick foam padding, so if you have holding a bunch of heavy stuff, it's not going to hurt your back. Also the straps too here have some nice padding on them as well. In this strap, it's pretty cool. It's got this little tool here that features a bottle opener, a screwdriver, a can opener, box cutter, cell phone stand, all kinds of stuff, and that just tucks there in the little holder there. Also, we have in this side of the strap, it's got a device you can put different things in here as well, so that's pretty neat. We have side pockets here. You can put your water bottles, hammocks, anything you want. Nice mesh there, so another one on both sides. And then we have this pocket here in the front. Nice and deep. It goes all the way down to here. And then three additional pockets inside right there. So this thing is so it's pretty comfortable. The padding on there. I would feel comfortable just loading this thing up and going on a hike there. It's because of the nice padding here for the shoulders as well, and on the back here. So that's kind of a newer thing. I don't know, it's been a while since I've worn a backpack. Growing up, the backpacks I had, you didn't have any protection here. It was just basically a small seat belt strap, and there was no padding on the back too, so I really like that. So feels really comfortable, and of course the straps are adjustable, and those are, so if you need to just tighten that up, you can just real quick, just like that. Super handy, and everything's just right here, like that can opener thing is right here if you need it. Another pocket here also, so pretty cool here, guys. And we do have another, like a clip over here if you wanted to hang it maybe from a tree or something like that. You have that as well. So looking for a nice little backpack there for camping or what have you. This one seems fairly decent, and keep your beverages nice and cool. All right, well, thanks for watching, my friends. You guys have a great day. And you know what? No, I'm thinking, should I just load this thing up? I'm not a big soda drinker anymore. I kind of stopped drinking sodas, but I was thinking just throwing a bunch of cans in here and seeing, I don't like canned food, but to see like how heavy it would disperse the weight or whatever. But I think I'm good with this. You guys saw the capacity. This thing could definitely hold a lot of stuff in there. So, and keep your beverages cool. It is insulated, and it's got the waterproof coating too, so you could throw ice in there too if you wanted, and it's going to keep it nice and cool, and you're not going to have to worry about water running down your back or whatever as you're hiking along. So, all right guys, thanks for watching this review. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.